Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I have something to show you. This thing right here is a Polaroid camera. You can actually see in the, if I can actually get this correctly, you can actually see, oops, you can actually see through the lens. Not very clearly, but there's glass there, so anyway, that's not the point. This little Polaroid camera is very clever, because at that single push of a button, what happens is it literally pushes in, a lever in there goes up, a spring lock system literally pushes out a photo and just goes instantly. That's in it. As soon as you press that button, that's what happens. Now I'm going to show you what happens right here. 3, 2, 1. Instantly. And out comes the photo. Now, in order to just gonna put that back like that. So in order to open it, you have to pull that down. That's what it looks like inside. Turn on a flashlight. That's what it looks like inside. You got that little roller thing. So what you do, take your photo, you slide it in like so. Get in there, motherfucker. So that clicks in. Listen. So if I push that out. So watch your system inside. You can actually see that yellow slingshot back right there. So as soon as I put this photo in, I just go, you can either click, put that back over. That's actually where the photo, like the lens will be. That's where you that's kind of like the modern day, that's like the old day equivalent of the screen. That's where you take the photo. So that's the camera button. Shut up. Stupid game notifications complaining to me. And the Wi-Fi shit. That's normal. Anyway, so, and then that's the like lens adjustment right there. So if I just go like, you can see inside just a slight bit. You can see the roller where it will print the ink. Press the button, 3, 2, 1. Immediately this pops out. This is made of Lego, by the way. That's not the only thing though that came with the set. This little thing come with the set as well. The actual yes, by the way, this is literally life size. This is about the same size as it is in real life. That little hole there is where the actual, you know, like where you get the flash, kind of like that. So in here is, now on the floor, 2 other little photos. The same concept goes for it. So open it up. Oh shit. Give me a second. Motherfucker. Let me, thank you. There we go. Move out the fucking way. Okay. So, same goes for this one. Put it in there. Motherfucker. Lights not, there we go. Same concept. Put it in. I said put it in. Hear that click. Shut it up. And 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Instantly. Now, however, But this one, this little one decides to be special. So if I just quickly open that again, put that in. Okay, so the photo of the girl is in, right? Here's where it gets funny. Ready? Watch. 3, 2, 1. Just gets literally